Natural Ingredients OUKEYA Urea Cream is packed with 40% urea that is perfect ingredients for foot problems. The urea cream also includes many natural ingredients like glycerin, avocado, sucrose, cornstarch, which are excellent ingredients for nourishing, moisturizing, soften and repairing the dry and cracked skin. Treatment for feet: uncomfortable shoes, a fast-paced life and sports, which make your heels crack and dry. With the OUKEYA Urea 40% foot cream you can have soft feet in the easiest and quickest way possible. The perfect formula of the cream will deeply moisturize and soften your feet so you can have incredibly smooth heels and get the relief you need from the pain and hassle of calluses. Effective skin solution: our urea cream is dermatologist-tested medical-graded nursing urea cream. Intensively moisturize and nourish the dry and cracked skin for your hands, feet, and even elbows and knees. Repairs dry, cracked, rough, bumpy, and aged skin. Minimizes appearance of corns and calluses. Softens and nourishes thick, gentle exfoliates scales and dead derma. OUKEYA 40% Urea Cream will bring you silky soft moisturized touch. Non-greasy OUKEYA Urea Cream is wonderful, amazing, unique lotion. The solution can be absorbed instantly, which can moisturize your skin strongly and revitalize your dull skin cells. You will look and feel amazing, so you can enjoy dancing and running. Daily essentials: keep using OUKEYA Urea Cream 1 week, you will find the difference. Carry on using 2 weeks, you will see obviously visible effects. 3 weeks, silky smooth moisturized skin you will have. It can be as lotion for long-term daily skincare products. Top reviews from the United States. Goodbye hard, thick calluses. My dermatologist suggested I purchase 40 urea cream to address thick elbow and heel calluses. I applied it daily after showering. After 3 months, both my elbows and heels were smooth again.